Hey everyone, I have some setting. My channel monetization was disabled by your content involving minors in harmful or inappropriate, creating original animation to entertain patient. But as you all know, my videos are no kids, no real people, and definitely great content. I built this channel with unfortunately a mistake in the review process has put in a tough spot. That's why I need your help. If you'd like to support me, you can write to FB. You can also drop a heart on X with a message like this. Please share this to show your support. Thank you so much. You're strange.